you unit number 3 video 2. In this video you are going to look about the power door lock, power window and charging systems. So power door, so where is power door, power window? We are using car. In the car we are going to use that power door, power window. So recent days we are using that power door, power window. What about the previously? Previously we are using the conventional type of the method. Okay, mechanical orientation type of the locking system, spring type of that locking systems. We are using on the power door as well as power window. Power door as well as power window. Both also we are using it mechanical orientations. For example, power window before that one mechanical type of the movement with help of that pedaling. Okay, we are going to with help of our hand we are going to rotate. The window is moving up and down. Window is moving up and down. So the type of the window, okay, normally working on that conventional method or mechanical orientation method. That is replaced by in recent days. What is that one? The switch. So we are going to press the switch. It is the window is moving up towards the up directions. When you will going to press the switch, the window is moving downward directions. So here is a two type of the motions. One is upward motion, another one is a downward motions. Simple. Okay, it is executed with the help of the motor. With the help of the small DC motor. The motor is rotated on the one direction, clockwise direction. For example, the window is moving up. The window is moving up. Okay, that means close that window. Okay, when the motor is rotated anti-clockwise, the window is moving down. Okay, like that operation is executed. Okay, the remaining structures, everything is the same. So instead of that pedaling, so that pedaling part is replaced into the motor. The shaft is attached to that motor shaft and we are going to execute it. The next one is a power door. Power door. So before the power door, okay, so now what is a power door? First we will going to see. So there is a button available. When you will going to click the button, okay, the door is it will going to open. Okay, with the help of that lever is there. When you will going to press the lever, it is moving and open the door. Okay, similarly it is used to you can lock the door. So once you lock the door, even the same lever it helps to you will going to click it or you will going to push it. It want to open the door. It want to open the door. That is recent days about the power door lock system. Before the power door lock system, what is the method? Conventional mechanical spring type of that locking system. Best example for that, just you can recap the ambassador car. The ambassador car is what about that one? You want to give the long press, okay, then the door is opening. Then the door open. The recent days that same mechanism they are implemented in the transport, bus transport, public transport they are implemented. Okay, so we will going to give the long press, then it will going to open that one mechanical, that one is open. From the lock it will going to open. Yeah, so like the system is working. The next one is a charging system. What is a charging system? So in automobile the major one is what is that one? Battery. Because battery from that one battery from that one it will going to pass to the ignition switch to the spark plug, everything. So battery, from the battery to the ignition switch to the switch to the ignition coil to that spark plug, like everything it is the spark is created from the source of the battery. So the battery is the main role. That battery how to get the charge. So with help of the charging system. So best example, simple example you can say about that, take about that mobile phone. It has that battery. What is the battery rating of that mobile phone? The mobile phone battery is a 3.5 voltage and 6000 milliampere. So milliampere, another name you can say 6000 milliampere instead of you can say about that 6 ampere. Okay, like the battery rating is high. I told about that one. I have the variety of the mobiles, Oppo, Vivo, Samsung, etc. But all the mobile, the charger is okay. The charger is a common. How it is a common for that? All the mobile charger is common. Okay, because of the constant voltage. So the constant voltage it is producing that a charger 3.5 voltage that one is needed. So it will going to produce the constant. So all the mobile is a constant charging, okay, systems, constant voltage type of the charging systems. So we are going to use for that any type of the charger for charging your smartphone. Okay, so we're going to see about the charging system. In that charging system, automobile. So in that automobile, how it is working. So this is about the diagram. So the generator is there. Okay, generator is AC generator, that's why it is called alternator. It is a produce the output. What is output? AC, electrical output. What is the input? Mechanical input. So mechanical input you are giving, it is a produce the electrical output is a produce. Okay, it is a produce on the electrical output. Generally generator, it has that two part. One is a stationary part. Okay, the coil is coming outside. Second one is a rotor rotating part. That rotating part of that rotor, it has the what you have, you will going to prime mover is you have attached, and excitation with the help of that you will go to DC excitation you are giving. So why DC excitation? Because two magnet it will going to produce. So the prime mover is attached to that rotor. Okay, so here is a field is excited. Okay, whenever current carrying conductor is cut the magnetic flux. Okay, whenever current carrying conductor is cut the magnetic flux, EMF is induced in the conductor part. So that like that EMF or current you can say. So it is induced. It's AC. So AC current is induced. That AC current is we want to convert AC into the DC. So rectifier is used to convert AC to DC and store into the battery. Okay, DC only store into the battery. Okay, here is why I am going to connect it to the voltage regulator like it is showing for the excitation purpose. So excitation magnet. So here is the excitation. So here we are going to stator like we will going to excited. Okay, whenever current carrying conductor is cut the flux, EMF is induced in the conductor part. So like it will going to generate, produce the power, produce the DC powers. You have see that one. So this is alternator. So alternator, okay, the alternator rate will going to directly we will going to connect it to the lamp is glow, or you will going to connect it because the lamp is applicable for AC as well as DC, the bulb. Okay, so this is an alternator. So mechanical input you can go, electrical output you will going to produce the electrical output. Alternator means AC electrical output. You have see that one in the car engine. Okay, engine systems. Engine system is a we will going to connect it. Okay, belt is through the belt. Alternator it is a system. This is alternator. So in that from the engine, okay, the belt we will going to connect it. So mechanical input we are going to give, and it is the system. It will going to produce the electrical output. It will going to produce on that ones. You have see that one. Okay, it's inbuilt with that rectifiers. See that one. Okay, here is a we will going to give the mechanical input. You will going to give it, and then directly we will going to connect it to the battery. What is meaning? It is a in that part we will going to connect it okay into the rectifier. It is directly produce the DC. Compact purpose we will going to see the same. It is the same method, different way of the representations. The next one will go with that. Power window. So power window, okay, that one basically this is a conventional type of the window. Conventional type of the window, it doesn't have that one motor. See there, this is a pedaling systems. So pedaling system, gear type of the system, it will going to operate it. You know, it will going to look like the X because it is a support. What is support? It will going to equally, it is a move up and down. Okay, the window is move up and down. Okay, it is balance purpose. Okay, this type of the support is given. This type of the support is given for balancely move up and down. Okay, and here is you have see this is about the engineer work. Okay, without this slash, only left slash is there means it will going to not evenly move up and down. Okay, that's why this is the support is the support is inserted. Due to inserted this support, it will going to evenly move up and down. And the spring is attached. Why do you attach the spring? Otherwise suddenly it is going to fall down. Suddenly it will going to fall down. So that's why spring is attached due to that slowly move and slowly up. Okay. So this pedaling is replaced into that motor. So the pedaling is replaced into the motor. Here one more mechanical engineering concept as engineering concept is there. So gear systems. So here is you can see that a horizontal gear as well as the rotating type of the gear systems. So this horizontal gear is why it is used. So it is helps for that avoid the theft. Avoid theft. What is the meaning for avoid the theft? So these type of systems you can move. Okay, move the window from inside the door as well as the outside of the car. Inside the car as well as outside of the car. You can move up and down. So theft is a possibility. That should be avoided with help of that this horizontal type of the gear systems. If you have inserted this type of gear system, it will going to further attach it into that pedaling, or it is instead of the pedaling, you will going to attach to the motor. Yeah, okay. So if have due to this gear systems, outside peoples couldn't push down the window. So that type of the method is used. So here is motor. This motor is rotated on the clockwise as well as anti-clockwise. So that is motor. So you have move the switch right as well as the left. Similarly, the power is okay. You will going to connect it to the powers. What is this one? Through the relay. So what is the way? One is a phase with respect to the neutral you will going to give, or here is a phase and with respect to the neutral. Okay, like we have arrangement. Okay, so when it is connected to that phase means here is connected to that earth. I mean, instead of the neutral, it is a negative. Okay, so here is a red and it means here is a black. When here is a red means here is a black. So like vice versa, we are going to connect it, operated on this relay. Okay, based on that one, okay, you will going to get it on the plus with respect to the minus. The motor is rotated on the clock or anti-clockwise. I will repeat once again. Okay, so the motor is needed plus. Okay, red and black. Okay, here is a two relays there. So this relay, how it is work? So this point is connected to the black. Okay, negative. And this point is connected to the red. If it is so it will go to rotate on the clockwise. Okay, suppose this one is connected to the red and this one is connected to the black means it is rotated on the anti-clockwise. So like the relay, it will go to operated. You have see. So positive with respect to the negative, the motor is rotated on the clockwise, or negative with respect to the positive, the motor is rotated on the anti-clockwise. The next one we will going to look at about that one door. Okay. Power door. So power door lock system. This power door lock system is a similar concept about that power window concept. Here also motor is there. Right hand side of that every door it has that one separate type of the motor. It is available. Every door it has the separate motor available, and a lock system we will going to keep it. That one it will going to connect it through the relay systems. We will going to connect it. You have seen. Yeah. We will going to this is what about locking system. We will going to execute it all the doors. You will going to execute it with the help of the key lock type of the systems. Okay, it is indicated for that one. Green is on, like the door is on. Okay, the power supply is a flow. So, this is what is the meaning? The relay. Through the relay, okay, power is connected to the motor. Through the relay, power is connected to the motor of the door. Okay, motor of the door is connected. Okay, it is a two operation. One is a open operation, second one is a lock operations. Like it's two operations. This is a relay. This relay is energized. It is needed for 12 volt power supply. We are going to giving the energize the relay. Energize the relay because see there the relay has that one coil. The coil is you needed a power supply. It will going to energize. Okay, when you will going to energize means it will going to move the switch. Normally open into the normally close. Okay, like it will going to move. Okay, see that one. This is a on condition of that one. What about off conditions? Like it will have changed. So power supply is the same. Okay, no changes about that coil. Okay, relay coil energize. Okay, only you have see that one changes about systems. You mean phase and neutral. Sorry, what you have say in the plus and minus. You have only change. So plus and minus, you have change. That's all. Thank you.